Hello everyone, this is Vistra with Paper Seasoning, and I am giving you an update today on how the cleaning is going in my craft room. So now you can see the floor, like it's a lot of floor that I can see. I really got in here and put a lot of stuff away and was able to get a lot done. But today I want to focus on, I've completed my planner Raskog cart. Here it is. I am in love with it. You can see the top section. I have a lot of my planners and pens and little notepads in there. There go the IKEA cups that I covered with the contact paper from the Dollar Tree. I got that contact paper from the Dollar Tree. I also put it on my desk pad if you saw that video. These cups here are held on with the little clippies there. If you remember, I had did that video on that. And underneath, I have some journal cards, notepads, a few planners, some paper clips, washi tape, and that is my Raskog cart. So that is where I am now. And next I will try to tackle this table. It's a lot, but I am going to try to put a lot of that stuff away and organize it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will probably have another contest coming out, drawing giveaway soon. So make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.